Apologies to, my sincere apologies to the DOST. Akala ko talaga nakalusot yung mga amendments ko sa inyo. Almost 800 million yun, kasama na yung establishment of a new science high school sa Negros Island region, tsaka yung pag-asa, nasabi ko, sinasabi natin walang pag-asa dapat bigyan ng equipment para may pag-asa. Natanggal din yun, pati yung aking addition sa FIVOX, and all the small different agencies that you had. We had a number of priorities that were given out to a tune of about 800 plus million. Ayan po ay natanggal. Hindi ko alam paano nangyari yun. And well, we're not as bad because the DepEd lost 12 billion. Nandito po yung DepEd. And I feel sorry. I feel your secretary talagang gusto niya modernize yung DepEd. Dahil dyan nawala ang modernization budget, computerization budget, pati na rin yung SUCs, State Universities and Colleges, 30 billion ang natanggal. DSWD, 92 billion natanggal, pati yung ano ba yan? Pati yung modernization ng armed forces, 15 billion yung natatanggal, daming natanggal. Kaya ako yung nagulat po at I am also I commensurate to the men and women of the different departments na natanggalan itong budget na to. I'm not a big fan of this budget, as a matter of fact. While Pisay has long had a well-earned reputation as our premier secondary education institution for gifted young students in the STEM field, it remains crucial for us to update the PSHS Act and improve its organization, management, especially its accessibility to the Filipino youth. So today, we have several questions that we want to ask. And for the information sa aking kapatid na si Senator Robin, yung Philippine Science High School kasi, ito po'y high school na ang nagpapatakbo po nito ay DOST. Puro mga scientists nito, magagaling na mathematicians, scientists, at ang kagandahan po nito, may sarili po siyang budget, may sarili po siyang charter. Yung charter, yan po ang ating posibleng amendahan dito sa ating gagawin na panukala. Dahil katulad nitong isang provision dun, may isang provision dun na iisa lamang na Philippine Science High School itatayo sa isang region. Meron naman po tayong mga region na malalaki, di ba? Katulad yung Southern Tagalog, yung Region 3, malaki po yan. Sayang naman na iisa lang ang Philippine Science High School na itatayo natin dyan. One of the recommended of course, amendments is to make it at least two science high schools with the corresponding budgetary requirement needed. May mga katanungan po tayo, like for example, how do we balance higher qualification standards for the PSHS while ensuring that the school remains inclusive and accessible, especially sa mga students from lower income households. Yan ang napakalaga. Second, are there statistics to support regional distribution of Philippine Science High School campuses? Is it sustainable, or are there perhaps campuses or even regions with lower enrollment rates? Paano po natin i-deal po ito? Paano natin maayos ito? Third, given the proposal to amend Philippine Science High School faculty from any civil service examination or regulations, what screening processes can we put in place to ensure that they meet the criteria for education professionals? Alam naman po natin, garbage in is garbage out. So kung hindi naman magaling ang screening process, ay baka hindi din karapat-dapat yung mga nagtuturo dyan pag hindi po mga galing. These are some of the questions that I hope will guide our discussions today to help us improve the measure and help us defend it on the floor when the time comes to sponsor the measure. With that, let us proceed with the hearing. Would you like, gusto niyo po, Senator? No, Robin, thank you. So ituloy na po natin yung hearing. Let's start off maybe with the first questions that I had asked. But let's start muna siguro with the presentation by the PSHS, Philippine Science High School. Meron daw kayong presentation. Please proceed, ma'am.